How to rotate a table in Google Docs. Hi guys, if you're wanting to do that, you can follow these easy steps. So first thing, you can go ahead and select up the table in your Google Docs, and you should be finding that there is no such option of rotate. So in order to rotate a table in Google Docs, you need to follow up another method. So for that, you're going to use the snipping tool of your computer. You're going to go ahead and search for snipping tool in the search bar and go ahead and open up the app on the screen, and you should be finding this. Go ahead and click on new and select up the table that you would like to rotate, and you should be finding this. So go ahead, right click on the table from this snipping tool and copy the table. After that, cross out and go ahead and click on no. Don't save the changes. After that, you're going to go to the Google Docs and place the table. Like, you're going to paste the table that you just copied earlier. You can right click, paste like this, and you should be finding the table. So all you got to do is, you will be finding the similar table. All you got to do is simply rotate by clicking on the three dot and go to all image options. And from here, you will be finding size and rotation. Click on it, and here you can easily find different options. Go ahead to rotate, and here you should be finding 90 degree, or you can use your own preferred degree. For example, when you click on it, you should be finding your table rotated. So that is how you basically rotate table in Google Docs following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.